Good day, and today's class I'm going to be dealing with how you can open your deriv broker trading account. So let me just go straight to MT5 Chrome browser. Then just search deriv or click on the login or the link I will send to the group. Just search, okay, this deriv, you can just search deriv login, so it brings me here. So if I click on this, so though I would, let me see if I can create another account. So it's currently loading. Alright, I just wait a minute. Okay, good. So once it's brought you here, so you want to create an account. So when you enter your account, your email address, so it will bring you. So I'm going to pause my video and enter the email. Okay, so after entering here, it asks me to enter my email. So I'm going to go straight to my email, and I'm going to go straight to email. Then from my email, we'll be sent a link. Okay, sorry, let me switch the email I used. Alright, so after coming to the email, I will, okay, so this email is already in use, so let me just log in. Okay, so it's actually logging in. Once it's logging, let's just see. Alright, so once it's logging now, you can see what it actually show you here. So it will give you something like a demo $10,000 account. So I can come to CFD, these options and CFD here at the top. Click on the CFD. Okay, then I can click on this standard, financial, swap free, and different ones. So basically we're just going to pick the financial, right? So the CFD financial, if you click on it here, this standard has to, okay, sorry, okay, just click on financial. Since we're dealing with Forex, it has other instruments on it though. So it has me to enter an MT5 password, which I'm going to enter. Alright, so after it creates here, you can see it tells me that I have a new MT5, right? So once you enter your password, it will take you straight to this place. Then I can click on next. So once I click on next, your demo account is MT5 is ready. So I can now go to my you can click on open here. So I will see the information. So these are the informations, right? These are the information. This is the login ID. This is a demo. I can give me 10,000 naira. So I can $10,000 rather. So I can click on copy the login ID and go straight to my MT5. Okay. So on my MT5, I can click and switch and log in an account. Okay, click. So click on the plus sign button here and click on deriv. You search for the broker. Since it's just new account, you can search for the broker. It's going to do is deriv. Okay, so once I click on deriv, so I'll put in my login here and paste. Once I paste the login, then I'll enter the password I put. Okay, so now it's showing me my deriv account now. So now in this derivative account, now I can decide to place take my interface tutorial. So let me just take us on the interface. So once we log in, if we log in here, it brought me whatever name. It can be your name. If we go to complete the registration here on the derivative platform, I can go back and create real accounts, but that one is subsequent ones. We'll learn how to do that. You can just play with the interface on. If you want to get real account, you can just come to this demo here, click on it and click on real. After I click the real, it will take you to enter in your basic informations and some other things. All right, so that's that. So back to MT5. So we talked about instant executions, right? Instant executions, pending orders, and the likes. So let me just use choose. Okay, so at this point you are seeing this is quotes. These quotes will show you all your different pairs. You have chart. If you click on this chart, that is the chart we are looking at. This is the interface of the chart. If you click on trade, this is trade. It will show you basic things, the trades you are currently on. If you click on history, it will show you close trades and the likes. All right. So now for instant execution, now if I say this is ZAR USD and it's actually it has gotten to a premium. For instance, now I can say I want to do sell. I enjoy it here. I can sell. This is where you set your lot size. Okay, very essential. You always use the minimum lot size for now, even for proper risk management. So I can sell. Once I sell, okay, it will give you this. Then you accept the terms and conditions. Is nothing. We don't read it at times this Nigeria, but it does tell you that there's risk involved in the action you actually want to take currently. So if you actually agree to those terms and conditions, so you just it will not. You see it didn't pick, so you have to come and click your order again. So if I click on sell, okay, instant execution. So it's currently loading. Now it has given me my sell position here. You can see here it wrote my what? It wrote me sell 0.01. Means that is the position at which the market is. I'm taking my order currently. Okay, so I want to set my stop losses. There are two ways to set your stop losses for this instant executions. You click on this. If I tap on the sell, that red dot line of sell, okay, on the red line of sell, if I click on it, it brought down here SL and stop losses. You can see it's below here, right? You can see the close SL TP, right? So if I click on what's it called? If I click on this SL here, you can see it took it above. That means as if for a sell trade, your stop loss must be above your entering position. This is the price we enter the market currently, and we can put our SL somewhere here above this I, right? Of course. So if I put my, that means I'm risking $3, right? And if I click on TP, if I'm targeting this low, that means I'm taking a TP of $6. That is a 1:2 averagely, 1:2 ratio. Okay, that is. Then I'll click on the blue icon in front of it. So this blue icon, if I click on this, that's this blue arrow in front of it. This blue arrow. If I click on this blue arrow in front of it, it will bring me here to set modify. So if I click on modify, it will automatically set those positions for me. All right. So it's going to set that position for me. So now I have my SL at the top here. I have my TP at the top. Right. Now for if it's buy also, I'll click buy. Same at instant execution. So if I click buy, for instance, now my stop loss for buy will be below my entry. So if I click on SL again, to be below my entry, so probably I'm putting it below this low as my stop loss, and my TP may be above here, somewhere here. Okay, this is an assumed trade, so it's not an assumed. So meaning I'm taking a fall to almost $4 to target $10, averagely 2. I click the arrow in front here and I click modify. So it automatically sets me those positions. So that is instant executions. Then on pending orders, there are two ways to do about it. All right. So if you check at this top right side of your something, you will see your this one with a clock. Then you see this one with more or less like a rectangle with something. All right. So this one with a clock just use their limit order. If I click on it now, it's brought me a blue line here. This blue line tells me buy limit. Why is it buy limit? Because it's something that we already understand that in buy limit means that we are expecting that price should come down, right? Price, we don't want to enter market at instant price position. We want price to come down. Maybe as it's selling now, it should come down to this place before continuing to the upside. That is buy limit. So the market will automatically say, okay, buy limit for you. And if I move it up like this, you see it's trying to sell limit. If I bring it a bit lower, it's still buy limit, right? Below the price is buy limit, sell limit. So it's only for buy limit and sell limit orders, right? Sell limit means that I want the price to actually come above this point position 3431, then I will now sell, right? It will now pick me for a sell for there, right? Good. So if I click the blue arrow in front of it too, it will also do what? It will also modify. It says put place. It's put placed too. You can also set the stop loss in that regard too. Then the second way to actually pick limit orders. Sorry, the network challenge. Let us hope it plays on time. The other way to place limit orders is if we go to our, okay, let me just hide it. Okay, it's placed already. If we go to our codes here, okay, these are different pairs, right? These are different pairs. If I click on this plus above here, that's this plus here, okay, I can use it to add more code. Maybe I want to search for maybe another pair that I think I'm looking for. Euro USD, for instance, Euro USD or Euro AUD. So if I click on plus, it will automatically add to my list of codes. So it's down here. This is down. All right. This is down here. Okay. So it has not loaded. Once it loads the functions, you will see it also writing its own journey. Okay. So this is our trade. One is, even though it's counter trades, they are both on profit, but don't do counter trades. All right. So if it's history, it will show you what, since you just open this account, you don't expect to see anything there for now. All right. So I think so if we click on it, all right. So if I want to close the trade, I'll just right click on it. Now there are two ways to, I can close all the trades at once. If I come to bulk operation, okay, you come to bulk operation, it's told you close all position, close profitable position. If I click profitable positions, all of them are in profit, so it will close the two for me. If it's buy, close buy position, it will only close the buy. Close ZAL USD, maybe I have ZAL USD, Euro USD and different price on my something, you close only ZAL USD and the like. So that is how it does. So I can click on close all profitable position. Now it will close me, it exits me of all trades, you can see. So we are on 1 point something dollar profit. All right, so that is limit orders and the likes. Okay, so let's say, okay, so I was trying to pick do another method of, so if I click on this Euro ZAL USD for instance, now I want to do instant as pending order. Once I click on it, you see it gave me new order, chart, properties, market statistics, simple view, right? So I just need to click on new order. But the moment I click on new order, at this point you see where they wrote market execution. where you see market execution, right? You click on it, you see buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit, sell stop limit. We already explained what buy limit, sell limit, and all those things are all about. So if you don't understand it, just go back to the video and watch what's all about. But meanwhile, I'll just do a brief explanation here. For buy stop, we've done buy limit and sell limit, right? So I'll just do buy stop and sell stop here. So if I say buy stop means that market is currently in a position, in a price, like let's say this is the chart, right? Market, I want to say that market should continue to buy up, right? Market is buying up. I'm assuming market will be buy up, right? So I want to place the price of that market. I don't just want to jump into the market too. I want to place the price. I want to say market will just carry me to join the market at this point. So let me say we have 3426. So let me go back to my here, new order. Then we have buy stop at what was the price we called the other time. I've forgotten it, but it's 3430. Let me just take 3430, right? So if I place it now, because it's actually above the price position, you can see it here now. It was 3430 buy stop, means that if price gets here, this market will put me for a buy. It will continue to go upward. So I have my stop loss will also be below, but your stop loss cannot be above. If you do it, you are deceiving yourself. So your sell stop, your SL will be below your entry because you are buying, right? So if I say modify here, I can modify it. So once it's modified, it will put my stop loss below at this point here, right? So we have other tools in on the chart, right? Same thing with sell stop. Let me pick sell stop. Sell stop means that price is actually selling. I don't want to jump into it, and I just want the price of what's current price of gold now. That is sell stop. So this is 3424, right? So let me just say I want it to pick me for gold sell at 3422. Okay, so it means that when price is actually coming down, it should just pick me for a sell. That's what I'm actually telling the chart to do for me. That I don't want to just enter like that. I just want it to pick me for a sell, and I move in same line, right? Okay, so while that is still loading, let's deal with other tools in the market on the MT5. Now if you just tap the center of your something of the chart, it will bring out some things for you. It will bring out some things for you, right? Some things like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. These are show you the different time frames in the Forex market. Then you will see again at this point, you will see something like you will see this window, you see this rectangle, you see this stuff, what is it called, with like candle pattern. You see this plus sign, you see this one, this is indicator. From here, MN means time frames, month, week, day. H4 is 4 hours, H1 is 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and the likes, right? So if I click on this one that looks like circle, triangle, and rectangle. Alright, circle, triangle, and rectangle. And if I click on it like this, you can see what it's brought me, right? It gave me my favorite object. Then this was I've been using on MT5 subsequently. So you can click on the plus sign here. It will show you the different ones. That the plus sign above, you can see hide and plus, delete, and the likes. So if I click on the plus sign, let me go back and show you with arrow so you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this place, is plus arrow delete, right? Okay, so sorry. So if I click on the plus sign now, you can see I can pick any. This is shape 2, this is web series of Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci zone, all of those stuffs. You use vertical tools, horizontal line, and the likes. So rectangle tool is one of the most tool we used to use. So once I click on it, at the top here you are seeing is put some rectangle tool, but until I put my hand on any location and draw it out, but I want to mark out a zone, for instance, I'll just mark it and say okay, this is Y market tap from EL. I just mark it out, right? So that is how you mark out triangle. And I can change the color. Container is white. I can click on it. Once I click on it, you see it brought M5. The M5 means that it's on 5 minute time frame. I actually drew that rectangle. Okay, you see something like a pencil on the top. I'm talking about here. Not like a pencil, you see something like a notebook, and you see something like a delete button. So if I click on this pencil, it has to do with editing, right? So on this editing part, I can change different things. I can remove the fill. The fill has to do with that color inside. I can remove the fill. Then I can change the colors here from here. Oh, that's, let me put point arrow there so you can see it. This is where I'm changing the color, this style. Okay, so if I click on it, and I change it to something red, if I click on save, right, you can see it's already red. Okay, I can do whatever I feel like I want to do to it. Okay, I'll do whatever I feel like I want to do to it, and that is how you work with MT5. That's how you work with MT5. So I think with this is basically we've touched the basics on MT5, how you can log in your account on MT5, how you can open instant executions on MT5, how you can do pending orders on MT5 mobile, right? Then how you can connect your broker with it. So any broker you are connecting is still the same way you do it, right? So the first thing you know you want to do once you open your MT5 is you want to click on this this place, this 3-dot button, which will show you where to click on add account. Then you add the account, and then from there you move on and on and on. Alright, so I believe you enjoyed this class. If you do, just drop a like button and comment I enjoyed your teaching at SAFOREX Academy. Thank you very much. Alright, so see you when I see you.